Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to adjust LED headlights on your Jeep Wrangler. First, find a level surface and park your vehicle exactly 25 feet from a flat wall. Make sure your tire pressure is correct and your fuel tank is approximately half full for an accurate measurement. Then, turn on your low beam headlights and mark the horizontal and vertical center of each beam on the wall with tape. Now, let's mark your aiming points. Measure the exact distance from the ground to the center of your LED headlight lenses. Transfer this measurement to the wall, drawing a horizontal line for each headlight. This represents the true center. Next, draw a second horizontal line exactly 2 inches below your first line. This will be your target aiming point for the top of the beam. It's time to perform the actual adjustment. Locate the vertical adjustment screw, typically found on the back or side of each LED headlight assembly. Using a Phillips head screwdriver, turn the screw clockwise to raise the beam or counterclockwise to lower it. Adjust each headlight individually until the top edge of its brightest part aligns precisely with the lower horizontal line you marked on the wall. Finally, perform a thorough check and verification. Ensure both headlights are aimed correctly, providing optimal visibility without blinding oncoming drivers. Take your Jeep Wrangler for a short test drive on a dark road to confirm the beam pattern is safe and effective. Your LED headlights should illuminate the road ahead clearly, with the cutoff line just below the eye level of approaching vehicles.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.